Hey, this is John Brittle. I'm on a construction site where my guys are doing a block wall for me today. There's O'Merrill. How are you doing, Wade? Say hi, smile. I'm video. So, this is the tool that you use to cut block with, if you want to do it right. This is the cicada woods in Nashville. You can kind of see some of them flying around. If you look carefully up there, you can see the cicadas flying around. Watch what happens. Watch what happens when you turn the power tool on. So, if you want to attract cicadas in your neighborhood, go get yourself a power tool of any sort, and then have the cicadas come down and hang out with you. Look, this is how this works. This is why you don't want to be out doing yard work in your neighborhood when the cicadas come in to your town. Because then they come like you won't believe, and they come down, and this is what happens. This is John Brittle, Village Real Estate Agent, Nashville, on a construction site in Nashville with the cicada love fest going on. Bye.